Hello, good morning and welcome. It's the 16th of June, it's Friday. I must apologise for being a bit late this morning. It's actually just after 9:30 and we'll start off as ever with the AUD USD. I've, I've actually been trying to do some diversion charts for next week, so that's taken up a bit of time this morning. Um, AUD USD. We've seen a little bit of strength in the AUD last night, and there's also been a little bit of weakness in the dollar. This is the DXY. So we've seen a small red candle there, and that has given us just a little bit of strength here in the AUD USD. We've got up slightly above the resistance, which was a long-term historical turning point, I believe. If we just have a quick look, basically about where we're at now. A bit more. Well, you've got a bit of a flat there. We're not. That's the only turning point. That one there that I can see. So it is coming into resistance. The 76 big round numbers, we're slightly above it, but I really see that as a fail. I think it's going to come back down. We'll wait and see what the commitment of traders says tonight. Euro, New Zealand dollar, well, it's done wondrously well. It's come down here to this support. We're struggling a bit at this level, but it ought to come down really and just close the gap. Euro, New Zealand dollar, this fell nicely for us yesterday. Got a little bit of an up candle this morning. Good, unexpected, good figures from Italy, I believe, manufacturing. So that's caused a little bit of a green candle, which has also given us a little bit or added to the up on the Euro Japanese yen. So we've had the good Italian news, and of course there was a speech this morning in Japan about 7:30 GMT, which weakens the yen slightly. So a little bit of strength on the euro, a little bit of weakness on the yen. We've popped up. I think that's about 80 pips. I'm expecting that to fail back down. Pound Australian dollar, we're still resting on this support here. We'll see what happens with that, but I'm expecting the Aussie to fall, and I'm expecting a bit more strength in the pound. So that I see as a very good long-term trade. Silver, slightly different order today. Silver, we got out at the blue line. We've actually dropped a bit more. If I come back up to the blue line, I might just get back in, but that could have been a better trade for me. Should have hung on a bit longer, I think. Oil, same again. I got out just about here, just above the blue line. It's come down again onto support, so we sort of like take a couple of days to get over that, I think, and I think it's going down, but I will again look for evidence of this on the commitments of traders tonight. S&P 500, this is a weekly chart. We've got a very small green candle. That could vanish today. We've still got this divergence between the candle chart and the RSI, and we're just about at 69.6 on the RSI. That's on the weekly chart. On the daily, we're well below the 61.9. So again, we'll see how that goes. Euro GBP. I'm obviously bearish the euro and bullish the pound. I got in this a bit late, didn't quite get the top, but I'm expecting this to come back down. My long-term target is 847, 847.847. So we'll see how that goes. Pound, sorry, dollar, Japanese yen. As we said before, we've seen a little bit of weakness in the yen, and we've got a little bit of a green candle here today. I really don't see this getting any more strength, but Forex can always surprise you. The RSI is just above the 50. I'm expecting that to turn back down and come back down below the 50. So there you go. USD Canadian dollar. We've fallen down here onto support. We've been here for the last 3-4 days. I am expecting this to gain strength, this pair. Weakness in the Canadian dollar and a bit of strength in the US dollar. But as I mentioned before, there's a little bit of weakness this morning on the US dollar. The pound New Zealand dollar. I am long this, so I'm just about at entry here. I did get in before we had that bombshell drop. So yes, I am long the pound, and I'm actually short the New Zealand dollar. I think that's just about a turning point. And we've also got the Mexican peso. I'm waiting tonight to have a look at the commitment of traders. I've taken my big trades off this and I'm looking to re-enter. But the swaps on this are just absolutely horrendous. They just really kill me. So I've come out of it, and I'm just waiting for direction on the commitment of traders report. New Zealand dollar, as you can see, we have had this nice move up here. This here is a turning point, so that is strong resistance. It's historic turning point. I believe I shall just, seeing as I've said it, I've got to go and have a look. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you got 3 there, and that's just on the daily chart. So hopefully we'll see this turn back down, and there you go. That's it for today. Sorry it's late, but that's the way it goes. Sorry. Thank you all for your subscriptions and your likes. Much appreciated, and hopefully see you again tomorrow for the commitment of